Introducing the wall mount folding clothes hanger, a space-saving solution that redefines your laundry routine and adds a touch of efficiency to your living space. This isn't just any clothes hanger. It's a versatile and practical design crafted to maximize your storage options while minimizing visual clutter. Say goodbye to traditional bulky drying racks and welcome the wall mount folding clothes hanger into your home, because even your laundry area deserves a touch of smart design. This folding clothes hanger isn't just a laundry accessory. It's a spatial optimization genius. With its wall mount design, it effortlessly transforms any unused wall space into a functional drying area. No more dealing with cumbersome freestanding racks or draping clothes over furniture. The wall mount folding clothes hanger is here to streamline your laundry routine. It's not just a hanger, it's a laundry room space saver. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any clothes drying solution, it's a time-saving marvel. Its foldable design allows you to tuck it away when not in use, keeping your living space neat and uncluttered. The wall mount folding clothes hanger is not just about drying clothes, it's about maximizing efficiency in your daily chores. It's not just a hanger, it's a spatial optimization wizard. And installation? Effortless. No need to summon the spirits of handymen past or decipher complicated instructions. The wall mount folding clothes hanger comes with user-friendly installation, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of a compact drying area without the headache of setup. It's like having a personal laundry assistant, discreet, efficient, and always ready when you need it. But wait, there's more. This clothes hanger isn't just about practicality, it's about durability. Crafted from sturdy materials like stainless steel, the wall mount folding clothes hanger is built to withstand the weight of wet clothes, ensuring a reliable and long-lasting laundry solution. It's not just a hanger, it's a dependable companion in your laundry routine. Picture this: you effortlessly unfolding the wall mount folding clothes hanger to air dry your clothes, creating a tidy and organized laundry space. It's not just about drying clothes, it's about turning your laundry area into a functional and visually pleasing zone. Your laundry room is not just a chore space, it's a well-designed haven equipped with the wall mount folding clothes hanger. Kindly like,